In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Cakewalk Next on your Mac step by step. Cakewalk Next is a streamlined, modern digital audio workstation designed for fast creation and intuitive workflows. It's ideal for songwriters, beat makers, and content creators who want to make music quickly without dealing with a complex setup. Before we begin, let's clear up one important point. Cakewalk Next is not a replacement for Cakewalk by BandLab. Instead, Cakewalk Next focuses on simplicity, creativity, and modern music making. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser. In the address bar, type cakewalk.com/next, then press Enter. Once the page loads, scroll down slightly until you see the download options. Click on Download for Mac. The installer will start downloading. This will be a .pkg file. When the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the Cakewalk installer file to begin. The Mac OS installer will open. Click Continue, review the information, then click Continue again. Accept the license agreement, then click Install. If Mac OS asks for permission, enter your Mac password or use Touch ID. Wait a few moments while Cakewalk Center installs on your Mac. Once the installation is complete, click Close. Now open Finder, go to Applications, and double-click Cakewalk Center to launch it. If you see a security message saying the app was downloaded from the internet, just click Open. When Cakewalk Center opens for the first time, you'll be asked to sign in with your BandLab account. After signing in, you can start downloading Cakewalk Next. Once the download finishes, a new installer window will appear. Click Continue, review the information, then click Continue again. Accept the license agreement, then click Install. If Mac OS asks for permission, enter your Mac password or use Touch ID. Wait a few moments while Cakewalk Next installs. When the installation is complete, click Close. Cakewalk Next is now officially installed on your Mac. To open it, go to Finder, open Applications, and double-click Cakewalk Next. And that's it! You've successfully downloaded and installed Cakewalk Next on your Mac. If you're looking for a full professional digital audio workstation with advanced mixing and editing tools, Cakewalk Sonar is the better option. But if you want a fast, simple, and creative workflow, Cakewalk Next is a great choice. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for more music production tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.